What is JMeter? A database management system. B. An open-source load testing tool. C. A programming language. D. Web server. And correct answer is option B, an open-source load testing tool. JMeter is a free, open-source tool used to test and analyze the performance of software applications, websites, and other services. JMeter can simulate heavy loads on a server by creating multiple virtual users at once. It can be used to perform performance, load, and functional testing. What is the primary purpose of JMeter? A. To develop web applications. B. To perform load testing on applications. C. To manage databases. D. To write automated test scripts. And correct answer is option B, to perform load testing on applications. JMeter is a free, open-source tool used to test and analyze the performance of software applications, websites, and other services. JMeter can simulate heavy loads on a server by creating multiple virtual users at once. It can be used to perform performance, load, and functional testing. What is thread group in JMeter? A. A group of Java threads. B. A set of similar test cases. C. Collection of users that will execute particular test plan. D. A group of servers being tested. And correct answer is option C, a collection of users that will execute particular test plan. A thread group in Apache JMeter is a component of a test plan that controls the number of threads used to execute a test. It's the starting point of a test strategy and allows you to customize your tests and test plans. What is a sampler in JMeter? A. A tool to sample database records. B. A component that simulates a user's action on the server. C. Device to measure network bandwidth. D. Method to select test data. And correct answer is option B, a component that simulates a user's action on the server. In Apache JMeter, sampler is a request that JMeter sends to a server and then waits for a response. Samplers are a fundamental part of a JMeter test plan and are used for a variety of purposes, including simulating user behavior, measuring performance, capturing responses. What is the purpose of listeners in JMeter? A. To create test plans. B. To generate load on the server. C. To collect and display test results. D. To simulate user actions. And correct answer is option C, to collect and display test results. In Apache JMeter, listeners display the results of samples and help performance engineers analyze and report on test results. Display results, analyze data, save results, customize, monitor requests, evaluate responses. Listeners can help performance engineers evaluate the responses received from the system under test.